In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Yahoo account. In an age where online security is more important than ever, taking every possible measure to protect your personal information is crucial. So let's take a few moments to ensure your Yahoo account is more secure. We'll begin by heading over to yahoo.com, and once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find the Sign In button. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to Yahoo's login page. Here, you'll enter your Yahoo username. Remember, this is typically the first part of your email address before the @ symbol. Be sure to type it in carefully to avoid any login hassles. Once you've done this, proceed by clicking on the Next button. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step is critical because a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Make sure your password is unique and strong by incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've got your password typed in, click Next again. After successfully logging into your account, our goal is to enhance your security settings. Look for the option that says Manage Your Account. This is generally located near your profile picture or name, though it varies with Yahoo's interface updates. Click on this option to explore deeper into your account settings. Now, we arrive at an instrumental part of securing your account, the Account Security section. Here, you'll need to find and enable two-step verification, an added layer of security that protects your account in case your password becomes compromised. Scroll down until you spot the two-step verification option and click on Turn On. This security feature works by sending a code to your phone, which you'll need alongside your password when logging in. You can choose to receive this code either via a text message or an authenticator app, depending on what you find most convenient. Once you've chosen your preferred method, keep an eye out for the incoming verification code sent to your chosen platform. When it arrives, promptly enter it into the designated field. This step is crucial. It's your way of verifying that you indeed have access to the verification method you've selected. Once the code is entered, click on Verify. If everything has gone according to plan, you'll see a confirmation that two-step verification is now enabled. This improvement significantly boosts the security of your account. And there you have it, your Yahoo account is now more secure. Remember, keeping your security settings current and using strong, unique passwords across all your accounts are pivotal components of protecting your personal information.